Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align shapes to the right in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align shapes to the right. Firstly, go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu, then insert a shape. Now we want to align this shape to the right. Go to the insert menu again, then click draw text box, then draw a text box over the page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu, then select send backward to send back. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple shapes. Then click the alignment option and choose align right. Then again go back this option and choose top. Now we can see we align shapes to the top right very easily. Then select the text box and delete it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.